Is it a ghost pushing this car uphill? Or is it something more down to earth? One night on Richfield Road, which is where Gravity Hill is located, a young mother and her child were driving. Suddenly her car stalled. Quickly she got out and attempted to push the car up the hill to safety. Just as she reached the top, a truck carelessly sped along the dark street. Without time to properly brake, the truck struck the mother and child, killing them instantly. According to legend, the mother and young child did not quite leave Gravity Hill, okay? It seems the mother is continuously living that night over and over. But now your car can be the one she pushes uphill. According to legend, if you stop at the bottom of Gravity Hill and put baby powder on the trunk of your car, sit in your car and wait, and suddenly you'll feel your car being pushed up the hill. No, you'll literally be going up the hill. But don't freak out, because once you get to the top, you'll see handprints on the back of your car. You can even ask some of the locals that have experienced this themselves. Okay, Gravity Hill is located in the middle of North Carolina, about 5 miles south-southwest of Denton, North Carolina, on a road called Richfield Road. A little closer. Here it is, right here. Here's a topographical map of Gravity Hill. Do you notice something? Okay, we're going to get into this a little bit later in regards to this map. Okay, so just watch this. There are many places around the world and in the United States where it seems to defy gravity. As you can see right here, this car seems to be drifting uphill. Now let me ask you this. Is this car really drifting uphill? Does this really happen? Okay. Look right down here. Feet off the gas, and it is in neutral, and it appears to be drifting uphill. But did you know this is an optical illusion and has nothing to do with the paranormal whatsoever? And I'm going to show you why and how. Here's where we're going to begin. This is the supposed bottom of the hill, and we're going to be going south, going that way. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to follow Richfield Road south, okay, for about a half a mile. Okay? So we're going to keep going here. We're going to go to about a half a mile. Okay, here's the end. Now I'm going to show you something else here. Okay? The supposed bottom of the hill is where we started at, okay, where it says start here, bottom. The actual elevation there was around 610 feet, okay? Keep that number in mind. Now the end point, which is the supposed top of the hill, is actually 600 feet. So there's a 10-foot variation. So with that, the difference over the course of a half mile was 10 feet. Now coming up, I'm going to show you some more footage of different vantage points along Gravity Hill. Okay, here's another view on Gravity Hill. All right, this is about halfway through, so about a quarter mile away from the start point. Okay, there's a starting point right up there. You can see that car is supposedly drifting uphill, but actually, you can actually kind of see it's actually coming downhill. So this car is drifting downhill. Okay, there you go. But right here, it seems to appear to go uphill, but actually it's not. Okay, here's the end point. So we're going to be driving back up to the origination. Okay, you can see right here, it looks like this part coming our way, it looks like it's going uphill. I'm going to show you why it's still an illusion. Okay, so right now we're going back up to the starting point. All right, which is right up about here. There you go, right where that pull off is at. There's the starting point. That's where you start at. Okay, we're back at the starting point. Okay, you can tell this is a starting point because of all the graffiti on there. Okay, there we are looking supposedly uphill. See how it looks like it's going uphill? This is still an illusion. It's not uphill. And I'm going to do a practical demonstration on how this happens. Okay, this is an optical illusion, folks. Optical illusion. Okay, here's a small-scale practical demonstration of Gravity Hill. Okay, all those cups that you see there represent the trees and the surrounding environment. Okay, as well as those little blocks there. It represents the road. These objects, just like the trees, are very important for the illusion to work, and I'm going to show you why. As you can see in this demonstration, that the car appears to roll uphill. but it's actually not. Look at the inset, okay? It appears to roll uphill. Here's another demonstration right here. Okay, from a slightly different vantage point. Look at it. It appears to go uphill. This is an illusion. Okay, like I said before, Gravity Hill is not caused by the paranormal. This is basic science and it's an illusion. Okay, this illusion is caused by an obstructed horizon. Without a visible horizon, it is difficult to judge the slope of the road without a reliable reference point to go off of. The trees can appear perpendicular, but can be leaning as well. The difference between the bottom, which is the true hilltop, and the top, which is the true bottom of Gravity Hill, is only 3 meters. So the slope angle is going to be very, very small. Okay, I'm here right near the starting point of Gravity Hill. I'm going to pour some water down. Look at that. The water is going downhill. There you go. This is proof right there that this is going downhill. Alright, this is completely an illusion. Why is that? Why is that? Water's going downhill. There you have it. It appears to go uphill, but it's not. It's downhill. The topographical map confirms that you are also going downhill. You can actually see the gray contour elevation line is 600 feet, which is actually the bottom of the hill, or what they say the supposed top of the hill. The light gray contour elevation line just north of the starting point is 620 feet. With that said and done, the starting point is actually at 610 feet. So the difference between the bottom and the top of the hill is 10 feet, or about 3 meters. Conclusion and observations of this experiment. The appearance of cars moving uphill in Gravity Hill, which is Ridgefield Road, North Carolina, are not caused by the paranormal nor any magnetic anomalies. Science and the topographical map has shown that it is only an illusion due to the lack of a visual horizon reference point and water going downhill. The cars are rolling downhill, not uphill. Cars rolling uphill on Gravity Road is completely debunked by science. So, case closed. I really hate to be a party pooper for all you paranormal researchers out there, but there is a silver lining. This optical illusion is really, really cool. It does look like you're actually going uphill, like you see right here. You definitely have to check this out. If you are into optical illusions like I am, I'm going to put a link in the description below of the coordinates of Gravity Hill, North Carolina. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.